yeah, that's a good one. Oh. Huh? Yeah. Well, this one has an exercise thing too. Look at that. Stay active. At least it's nice out for this stuff.
It's not raining outside. It's raining all today, right?
I want to get at least a good show on, or get a good look at the planes too. Yep. We get to look at the planes. At 7. They'll be on the ground. We can actually go walk and look at them.
2 for just a scan.
Airplane exclusive to Eli Anderson. Our partner sponsors by Thunderland.com as well as Vantage Credit Union. One of the things great folks at Shuttle sponsor that American Family Insurance. Want to thank our pilot partners.
Hello. Just one.
Just one. That'll be $5. I'll give you a 5 and a stamp back. Have a good night.
By Fabiano Brothers, established in 1885. Want to thank our Pepsi supporter here. Want to thank the great team at Pepsi, our beverage sponsor. Also want to thank WAOW, ABC Channel 9. Our media sponsor as well as 94.7. Jack FM, playing what we want. Want to thank the team at Western as well. The Village of Western, thank you for your support as well as Wausau, Wisconsin, our food tech sponsor. Want to thank the folks at Camping World, our RV sponsor, as well as TBS, our kids sponsor. Also want to thank UT Abraham, our first media lawyer.
Yeah, it's over there. All food is over there. Yeah.
Fireworks showing up. We got a great band. We'll be playing here at 7 o'clock at the main stage. We got our performers are going over to the, they'll be signing autographs over in the main tent there right next to the entertainment tent as well. So make sure you go over and say hello to Susan Dacey, Skip Stewart, of course, the Aeroshow Romantic team, Michael Backman, all of our world-class Aeroshow performers. Say hello. They certainly appreciate coming out and performing for you. And again, we have a full Aeroshow Romantic demonstration again tomorrow evening at 5 o'clock. All kinds of activities throughout the day tomorrow. But tonight, we've got all kinds of great things going on. So make sure you stick around.
Hello, doing good. We're from Wisconsin, but we're not homeowners.
Eventually, you have to see the lighting that they have on board these aircraft there. Sponsored by Aero LEDs, the premier partner of the team. They specially designed LED amber lighting.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Doing good. How much is a hat?
So they're totally free. All you gotta do is put down an email. Do you have an email?
Are these like
They're the fanny packs, you know, that go around like.
Oh yeah, I like those.
Yeah. So if you just want to put an email down, and then you can go ahead and grab something.
Insurance as well as Megan Incorporated. Including Aero LEDs, CJ Aviation, Yonkin Aviation engines, higher power hydraulic doors, want to thank ASGS Avionics, as well as Lincoln Motors, both Tenstas, Aircraft Screws, Goodyear, Concord batteries, strong.
All right, what did you want?
Genesis Auto.
You want to take the fanny pack?
Also want to thank Desert Tire.
Perfect.
You want a hat? You don't? Oh.
ECF50 as well as JPI Instruments, want to thank Gulfstream Communications, Aerospace Cardiology, ES Engineering, and all their great support. Take a look out here right now as Aeroshow Romantic Team gets ready to give you their presentation of their salute to the great fans here. Look at that, folks, the great fans at Wausau here, and here they are, the Aeroshow Romantic Team, and their smoke and salute to Wausau, Wisconsin, ladies and gentlemen. Wow! You talk about a cloud deck right out there. Self-induced cloud right there at Air Show Center, ladies and gentlemen. The Aeroshow Romantic Team, Mark Ridley, Brian Reagan, Steve Gustafson, and Jerry Morna.
Huh? Look at this. Oh, ice cream, cotton candy, $3. That's not expensive. You just gotta know what you want.